This YouTube feature is driving some iPhone users crazy. If YouTube keeps showing a floating mini player every time you leave the app, here is how to turn it off. For this, we need to open YouTube. Then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the settings icon in the top right and go to playback. Now you've got to find picture in picture. If it's enabled, videos will continue playing in a floating mini player when you leave YouTube. Simply toggle it off. Now step 2. For extra control, go to settings on your iPhone and tap general and tap picture in picture. Turn off start PIP automatically. Now videos and supported calls won't automatically pop into a floating window when you leave an app. Why this setting matters. Picture in picture works with YouTube and many other video apps, including streaming apps, video players, Safari videos, and even FaceTime calls. If you like multitasking, keep it on. If you find floating videos distracting or annoying, turning it off gives you a cleaner experience. Leave a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.